Hey everyone, it is Thursday, November 5th. So today we watched a video and we tried breakout groups for the first time. So I'm not going to post the live recording today. Every week's recordings will just go in here. But today, what I need you to do if you were not with us is you need to view our assignment for today. So our group chat questions for 11.5, that's today. We watched this awesome 10-minute video on the Oregon Trail to give us some background before we jumped into our groups. So if you were not in class today, in the class comments here, I need you to drop one fact of something you learned. So that way I know you watched this video and I know that you were working on making up your work from today. Since our video was 10 minutes, we did not have a lot of time in our groups. So all you need to do is make sure you have these two texts read. So the first page here is our directions. Then we're going to read these two texts. We're going to look and pay attention to the people, to the events, and the ideas. Our number one text is a nonfiction factual article from history.com. Our second one is a fiction, a made-up letter that would have been written. So it's based on factual information, but is not in fact real. So that way tomorrow in your groups, you can answer these questions. So that is all we did today. That is all you need to do. Make sure you are logging into your MemBeam to get your minutes in and your reading log. And if y'all need me, you know where to find me. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.